Hey guys, Chris Razor here with Xtreme Polishing Systems. Today I'm going to be going over our Genie 550. Before I do, make sure that you like and subscribe to all our videos. The Genie 550, it's a polycarbonate outer housing, single phase 220 volt variable speed. If you're going to be running it on a generator, because I get that question asked a lot, I really like the Generac 17,500 watt. I'm able to run this unit, a vacuum, and a hand grinder all off of it. So I really like that, to be able to have my own power when I'm showing up. If you don't want to use a generator and you want to use the homeowner's power, you certainly can. This will plug right up into their dryer outlet, their 3 or 4 prong. You just go to Home Depot and get those 2 different prongs. You'll be able to plug in right into their dryer outlet. I'm going to walk you around the unit, show you the features of it. Again, polycarbonate outer housing, single phase 220 volt. It's got our patented magnetic plate system on the bottom, which gives you the ability to run those PCDs, 2-seg traps, 5-seg, 6-seg, 8-seg, and 10-seg diamond tools. So you're not going to be limited to the type of tooling. I'm not going to lock you into a certain style of tool with this. You're able to get that type of tool from anywhere. It can be run wet, 6-gallon water tank. The water's controlled right here by this valve. You just turn that, it's a ball valve. LED lights, you're going to have 2 up here, and you're actually going to have an additional one behind you that's facing down. So you'll really be able to see your working area, see your front and back, and really be able to see what you're going to be grinding on or polishing. It does have our cam lock system on here, so this is where your hose will connect to suck up all the dust when you're actually grinding. There's 2 poles right here. You'll stick these in the front of the unit and be able to pick it up, so you can transport it. It is a little bit heavier. It's 450 pounds, so I definitely recommend maybe having 3 guys when it comes to picking this particular unit up. If you come back here, you'll see this is where the controls are from, where we're going to actually control the unit. There's a USB port, so if you need to actually charge your phone, make sure you're not missing any calls, whatever, you can plug your phone in right there and charge it. You'll see there's a digital readout speed panel. This will show you your speed or your hertz. LED light to turn those lights on, off, speed control, and emergency stop. Anytime I want to lean the unit back, I'm going to take the handle here, squeeze it. I want to pull it upright, guys. Don't be trying to push down on it from here. So I'm going to pull it up, stick my foot on here, and I'm going to lean it back. There's a little kickstand that'll sit on there. If you come to the unit right here, it's got our magnetic plates, our patented magnetic plates. Gives you the versatility to run a lot of different style of tools. You can run PCDs, 2-seg traps, 5-seg, 6-seg, 8-seg, 10-seg diamond tools. So you're not going to limit yourself to the type of tooling that can actually go on the bottom of this. And having that versatility gives you the ability to do heavy removal, refinement, surface profiling, polishing, so a lot of versatility there. Behind it is our 602 Moreflex couplers. That's what gives the head some flexibility, but yet rigid enough to cut and flatten your floors. One head goes clockwise, the other goes counterclockwise, so they're always working against themselves. It's a lot less stress on the user. So that's a pro there, or anytime you're trying to flatten the floor, that's a really good thing. We were mentioning the tooling and how you get so much versatility. Here's just some of the different options. These are our traps. And like I said, they're magnetic, so it's an 80-pound magnet. They slip right on there. You cannot pull these things off. You can run, here's an example of a 6-seg round. Goes right in that slot. PCDs for thin set, mastic, any type of coating or removal on a slab. Again, right there. Just pops right on. Super easy to do. Not worrying about bolting or hammering something in place. And then anytime you want to take a tool off, take a flathead screwdriver, just break that magnetic field. Very easy. Again, here and around, you can do it from the back side, pops right off. PCDs. So it's super easy, super quick. So when you're on a job and trying to figure out what diamond to use on that slab, you don't have to sit there for an hour or 30 minutes trying to replace the tooling. I'm going to lean the unit back down. Again, making sure my foot's behind here just so it doesn't slam down. The handle's in the upright position. So that's our 550. If I can answer any additional questions, please feel free to reach us at the number below and we'll be able to help you out. Thanks for watching and have a great day.